Welcome back to the Infinite Byte, where we decode tech, break down trends, and explore the future of innovation. Today, we're tackling something a little different: tech myths busted. What's actually true? There's a lot of misinformation floating around the tech world, and we're here to set the record straight. Let's dive in. Myth number 1: more megapixels mean a better camera. First up, the higher the megapixel count, the better the camera. This is a myth that just won't die. While more megapixels can mean more detail, it's far from the only factor that makes a camera great. Things like sensor size, lens quality, and image processing are just as, if not more, important. A 12-megapixel camera with a large sensor can easily outperform a 48-megapixel camera with a smaller sensor. So, next time you're phone shopping, don't get blinded by megapixel numbers alone. Myth number 2: charging your phone overnight will damage the battery. Next, charging your phone overnight will kill your battery, asterisk. This one has been around for years. Modern smartphones are smart, really smart. They have built-in charging management systems that prevent overcharging. Once your phone hits 100%, it stops drawing power. However, keeping your phone at 100% all the time isn't ideal. If you want to extend battery life long-term, keep your charge between 20% and 80%. But charging overnight occasionally? Totally fine. Myth number 3: Macs can't get viruses. Let's settle this one: Macs can't get viruses. This myth comes from Apple's historical marketing campaigns. While Macs are generally more secure due to Unix-based architecture and Apple's strict app ecosystem, they can get viruses and malware. As Macs have grown in popularity, cyber criminals have taken notice. Installing antivirus software and practicing safe browsing are still important, no matter what device you use. Myth number 4: private browsing keeps you completely anonymous. Ever used private or incognito mode and thought, "I'm totally invisible now"? Sorry to burst that bubble. Private browsing only prevents your local browsing history from being stored. It doesn't hide your activity from your internet provider, websites, or government agencies. If you're serious about online privacy, consider using a VPN and enabling secure browsing features. Myth number 5: more CPU cores always mean better performance. Here's a performance myth. More CPU cores mean faster performance. While having more cores can improve multitasking and performance for demanding tasks like video editing, it doesn't automatically make your computer faster. Software optimization plays a huge role. If your everyday tasks involve browsing the web or writing documents, you won't notice much difference between a quad-core and an octa-core processor. Choose your tech based on your actual needs. Myth number 6: 5G causes health issues. This one's been causing quite a stir. 5G causes health problems. There's no credible scientific evidence that 5G or any previous generation of mobile networks is harmful to human health. 5G operates within regulated radio frequency ranges deemed safe by global health authorities like the World Health Organization. The myth likely stems from fear of the unknown and conspiracy theories circulating online. Myth number 7: deleted files are gone forever. Think deleting a file means it's gone for good? Not really. Deleting a file just removes its reference in the file system, making it appear gone. But until that space gets overwritten with new data, the file can often be recovered using specialized software. If you need something gone permanently, look into secure deletion tools that overwrite the file's data multiple times. Myth number 8: airplane mode saves a lot of battery. Does switching to airplane mode save massive amounts of battery? Sort of. Airplane mode disables your phone's wireless communication features, including cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. This can save battery if you're in a low-signal area or on a long flight. But modern phones already have battery-saving features that minimize background activity, so airplane mode isn't a magic fix unless you're really desperate. Myth number 9: closing apps saves battery. Let's talk about app management. Closing background apps saves battery, asterisk. In most cases, this is unnecessary. Modern operating systems like iOS and Android are designed to manage background apps efficiently. Constantly closing apps can actually use more power because reopening them from scratch takes more energy. Only force quit apps if they're misbehaving or draining too much battery. And there you have it, tech myths busted. Did any of these surprise you? Let us know in the comments which myth you believed or if there's another tech mystery you want us to explore. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest from the Infinite Byte. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.